welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a new certificate to your Arcus account. If you have recently received a new CAC or ECA, head on over to Arcus. Make sure you're opening a fresh browser window or clearing your cache if you've visited other sites that use PKI certificate authentication. Next, click the Sign In button. You will see an authentication error, but don't worry. Just click on the new certificate link here. Select I have a new certificate. Enter the email address associated with your existing Arcus account, and check your email for the link to register your new cert with your Arcus account. If you do not receive the email within 15 minutes, please contact support@arcus-cloud.io. Once you have the link, you will be sent to a page with client certificate details. Please confirm that the information on this screen is correct. Then click Add Certificate, and you should be all set. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. And in the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.